Everyone, it's Neil from Exterior Clean Melbourne. So we are cleaning this polycarbonate roof, otherwise plastic roof. Pretty heavily lichened. It's been many years since they've done it. You don't have to throw this sheeting away and replace it. So you can actually clean it, and you can clean it for a fraction of the price of what it will cost to replace it. I can tell you that because I know we have done the calculations on it. Probably generally come in around a third to half the price of what it will cost you to replace. Now, the other thing is, don't forget, when you do throw these things away, they end up going in a landfill, and plastic does not decompose. So if you have an environmental conscience, then that's another reason why you might consider cleaning. Okay, we'll show you the results. As usual, we'll follow our natural process on this around what we call a chemical soft wash, as in a mold and mildew treatment that we'll apply, and then gentle pressure to lift off the root systems, and you'll see the results as we go. Magic. Look forward to showing you the results, and stay tuned. Look at this. This is the finished result. So magnificent. Love it. It's so bright and so light.